Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here today with a very special video. So I'll be talking about the Leo horoscope 2022. Well, we all know that the past 2 years have indeed been very traumatic for all of us. The pandemic to top everything has ruined many things for us. We have lost loved ones, we have lost lives, we have lost people, and we are now in a very depressing state right now. Most of us are in the processing stage and trying to cope up with the current situations, the post-pandemic or even the pandemic era. In such a situation, should we be hopeful at all about the future? We will find it out in this video. This video is specially curated for Leo natives with regards to 2022, as I have already mentioned. I will tell you how your upcoming year will turn out to be with regards to the various aspects of your life. Before quickly beginning with the predictions, I would like to give away the planetary positions for the year 2022. First and foremost, I'll talk about Jupiter, which would enter in the zodiac sign Pisces on the 13th of April, and this would enter in the 8th house. Rahu would be in Aries zodiac sign in the 9th house and it would enter the Aries zodiac sign on the 12th of April. Saturn would enter Aquarius zodiac sign in the 7th house on the 29th of April, and on July 12th it would transit in the Capricorn zodiac sign in the 6th house after becoming retrograde. Let me now begin with the predictions. First and foremost, I'll be talking about your love life. So Leo natives may go through a curvy way in love. It is suggested by the horoscope predictions. This year, couples who are in a long-term relationships might get married. Marriage proposals may get finalized after April. You may encounter conflicts between you and your partner during the months of January and February. In the year 2022, couples in a relationship may have a mixed life, but you can expect better understanding with your partner. Small conflicts and differences of opinion may be there, but they will not affect your relationship seriously. If we talk about your professional life, then the beginning of the year would be auspicious from a work and career perspective. You would make considerable progress in your work and profession because of the placement of Jupiter in the 7th house. There are also indications of having new sources of income if you are related to some work in partnership. You may have some desired gains and remain satisfied with your partner. People who are in a job would enjoy more respect and regard at the workplace. In the latter half of the year, the period might have a slight adverse effect. During this period, your enemies might create hindrances for you, but there won't be any negative impact on your work and profession because of the positive influence of Saturn on the 6th house. Moving on, I'll be talking about the fate of students during the year 2022. So the natives might have a hard time in their studies. Students who have been preparing for competitive examinations may have a chance to succeed this year. Students who are aspiring for higher education may be placed in desired institutions. Those who wish to go for higher studies in abroad may get the opportunity in the last part of the year, that is in between from September to December. Talk about your economic or your financial life, then it will be a promising year. You will be blessed with the strong financial background this year. Due to sudden progress professionally, your income will increase. The time period after the 6th of April would be quite strong, and this indicates that you will acquire wealth professionally or through friends, life partners or professional partners during this period. Your family life will be very refreshing. Leo natives will get along very well with their family members, especially with their male relatives who are close to you. This includes brothers and cousins. A second child is on the cards for married Leo natives. This is a great year for Leo natives to get married. Do this when Jupiter and Saturn are in conjunction to get extremely good results. If you are already married, then this is also a very good period to try to conceive. Not only will this be a very joyful occasion in itself, but it will also enhance your relations with your in-laws. Your health horoscope suggests that you might face health related issues this year, and you may enjoy some stable health conditions during the beginning of the year, that is from January to April, after which diseases related to BP, viral infection or indigestion may occur. Chances of major diseases and injuries may be there for you in 2022. Hence, it is advised to take extra care during traveling. Good food habits and modifications in lifestyle may keep you healthy and in a better condition. Your lucky number for the year is 5, as Leo is ruled by Sun and the year is ruled by Mercury. Now let me quickly give away some astrological remedies which you can implement in the year 2022 so as to make it a very good year for you. You can worship Shani Yantra on a copper plate after getting the due rituals performed to empower it. Married couples are required to maintain peace and harmony and warmth in their married life. Always consume some sweet items and then only participate or take part in any auspicious event or go for any other important work like attend a job interview or a business meeting. Serve or keep good relations with your brother-in-laws, son-in-laws and nephews. Always speak the truth no matter what. You should not lie to anyone. Always ensure that you fulfill your promises and assurances. So this was all you need to know about the Leo horoscope for the year 2022. I really hope that this video would give you a sense of relief in these stressful times. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for connecting with us.
For regular updates, follow our Instagram page right now.